How to buy USDT in India. Follow these simple steps to purchase Tether instantly and securely. To begin, download Zengo from the App Store or Google Play and create an account on Zengo. A link to a tutorial video on how to create an account on Zengo is in the video description. Open the Zengo app, tap Buy, and search for USDT. Today, we will purchase on the Tron blockchain. Enter your desired amount, choose your preferred payment method, and click Continue to Payment. Enter your billing address. Make sure it matches a country that's supported. In some cases, you may be asked to provide additional documentation. Next, review the final price quote and tap Buy. That's it. Your purchase is on its way. Why is Zengo the best place to buy USDT? Let's break it down. Zengo is your all-in-one crypto wallet, simple enough for beginners, yet powerful enough for pros. With Zengo, you can access your portfolio anytime, anywhere. Buy, trade, send, or receive crypto with no limits and no hidden fees. Your assets are protected with next-generation keyless security using MPC, 3-factor authentication, and facial recognition. Lost your device? No worries. Zengo's effortless recovery ensures you'll always regain access to your wallet and funds. And if you ever need help, real support agents are available directly in the app 24/7. Now let's move on to the frequently asked questions. Here, we'll cover the most common questions from our community and give you clear answers. Is it legal to buy USDT in India? Yes, investors in India can legally buy Tether through government-registered crypto exchanges. While cryptocurrency isn't considered legal tender, buying, selling, and trading USDT is permitted under the country's current regulatory framework. Is it safe to buy Tether, USDT, on Zengo? Yes, Zengo ensures a secure and smooth experience by combining advanced MPC security, biometric recovery, and trusted payment providers. Can I buy Tether on Zengo without verification? No. Zengo works with regulated partners, which means identity verification, KYC, is required to meet legal and anti-money laundering, AML, obligations. Can I buy Tether under 18? Zengo works with regulated, compliant partners who follow AML and KYC rules. You must be 18 or older and provide a valid ID to buy USDT or any other crypto asset. How long does it take to buy Tether on Zengo? Most purchases are completed within minutes, and your USDT will be available in your Zengo wallet shortly after, depending on the payment method used. Thanks for watching. Start your crypto journey with Zengo today. Download the app and subscribe to our channel for more guides and updates.